Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to check your own head for lice, especially with all the latest tips for 2025. If you've ever felt the itchy suspicion after a busy day at school or work, you're not alone. Lice are common and can spread quickly, but the good news is, you can catch them early with a simple self-check. Let's get started. First off, why bother checking? Lice are tiny insects that feed on blood from your scalp, and they can cause itching and discomfort. Early detection helps prevent them from spreading to others or turning into a bigger problem. Plus, with new awareness campaigns in 2025, it's easier than ever to stay on top of this. To begin, gather your tools. You'll need a fine tooth comb. A knit comb works best, a bright light or a well-lit mirror, and maybe a magnifying glass for a closer look. These are affordable and can be found at any pharmacy. Step 1. Prepare your hair. Wetting your hair makes it easier to spot lice, so give it a quick dampen in the shower or with a spray bottle. This helps the lice and their eggs, called nits, stand out against the strands. Step 2. Section your hair. Divide it into 4 or more parts using clips or ties. Start at the back of your head, near the nape of your neck, as that's a common spot for lice to hide. Step 3. Time to comb. Take the fine tooth comb and gently run it from the roots to the ends of each section. After every stroke, wipe the comb on a white tissue or paper towel to check for any tiny bugs or eggs. Go slowly and methodically to cover all areas. What should you look for? Lice are about the size of a sesame seed, usually tan or gray, and they move quickly. Nits are smaller, oval-shaped eggs that stick firmly to the hair shaft and won't brush off like dandruff. If you spot any, don't freak out, it's manageable. Use an over-the-counter lice treatment, wash your bedding in hot water, and consider seeing a doctor for advice. Remember, lice don't mean you're unclean. They're just a nuisance that anyone can get. To wrap it up, prevention is your best friend. Avoid sharing hats, combs, or pillows, and encourage regular checks if you're in close contact with others. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick health tips. Stay healthy and lice-free.